Alert, alert! Ho, ho, Hobbii Christmas yarns are finally back! Welcome back to a new Hobbii episode. In today's episode, we're gonna have a look at all the newly arrived and festive Christmas yarns. From gorgeous cake yarns to glitter sock yarns, these ones will make Santa wish for a glittery pair of socks and a new sweaters for sure. Let's start off with the newly arrived Horizon Christmas. Horizon Christmas is a super Christmassy version of our lovely Horizon yarn. And believe me, this soft yarn has a nice, full volume. And with these classic Christmas colors, everyone will feel the holiday spirit. The Horizon line is spun from premium anti-pilling acrylic of the highest quality. Among other things, this means that the yarn is processed multiple times, reminiscent of how wool is actually made. The acrylic is combed, making it extra soft and fluffy. And in addition, Horizon goes through a high bulk process where the yarn is steamed during production, making it contract slightly, which actually gives you a beautiful, pleasant, soft and voluminous result. So unleash the Christmas spirit and get ready for a season filled with Horizon striped sweaters, blankets that we can actually cuddle up under while we wait patiently for Christmas Day. Next up, guaranteed cozy knitting with the newly arrived Christmas sock wool. This beautiful sock wool comes in a gorgeous print version with the nicest Christmas colors. Christmas sock wool is absolutely the perfect choice if you want to knit Christmas socks for the entire family. The combination of wool and polyamide makes it both durable, comfortable, and of course warm. I mean, what is more festive than Christmas hand-knitted socks? I mean, come on, seriously, what is? The glitter version of the same yarn. Glitter Christmas socks. This is basically the same type of classic sock yarn but with a twist. A glittery twist. The yarn is composed of superwash wool, polyamide, and 2% polyester, which is actually the little gold thread that creates this beautiful glitter effect. And one more thing, remember that you can actually use sock wool for much more than just socks. You could actually crochet a nice shawl with it. The sky is the limit. And since we're talking about glitter, here is our next yarn. Universe in Christmas edition, and I mean, we love glitter here at Hobbii. Hobbii Universe is a really nice yarn with a long, elegant color gradient. Here, a tiny glittery thread is spun in that can add a little sparkle of glamour to any project. The glittery thread is so fine that it can hardly be felt. However, it can definitely be seen. It matches the yarn's colors, so you'll get a really cool bling effect without being too ballroom. You'll go a long way with the 462 meters or 505 yards in one single cake. So you actually don't need a lot to make a super cute festive shawl or a poncho. I love glitter! Woohoo! And guess who else is back? Our Christmas Acrylic color pack. Christmas Acrylic is a really soft yarn with a wonderful airy volume. It's produced from 100% HB acrylic in a really good quality and has a beautiful Christmas color selection. Christmas Acrylic is easy to work with both the knitting as well as crochet, and it goes a really long way. There's a full 350 meters in 100 grams. That's 3.5 ounces in 382 yards. It's absolutely brilliant for soft, warm blankets, but also great for things like sweaters, hats, and scarves that never scratch. The airy yarn keeps you warm and does not get heavy, as Christmas Acrylic is actually distinguished by its light volume. It also has a uniform structure and great durability. It can be machine washed at 30 degrees Celsius, that's 86 Fahrenheit, which makes it perfect for everyday use. The color and the shape will hold up wash after wash. And if you're allergic to wool, for instance, or if you just want to opt out of animal fibers for other reasons, then it's a great idea to replace it with Christmas Acrylic and get a really soft and pretty, lovely result. So get your Christmas playlist ready, a warm cup of tea, and of course some ginger cookies, because we have loads of work to do. With all of this gorgeous Christmas yarn from Hobbii that we just saw today, there's so many projects that I'm already starting to brainstorm. So let's get to it. Remember to subscribe to our channel and obviously like this video. Thumbs up, guys. And I will see you really soon again. Bye.